We're up 1.3. Yo! This might migrate. This might actually migrate. Oh my god. Oh my god. Massive fucking day. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Chinese coin is at 140K.
Shut your eyes. Take a deep breath.
Gotta breathe, bro. Gotta breathe. Because kind of fumbling coins that I think will run, and I'm not getting into. We've already missed 200K plus runners. In this video, you're gonna see myself, jKolby, and a few others in the voice chat cook on a lot of Solana trench meme coins. So lock in, stick around, drop a like, subscribe, and watch through today's video to see how we trade live and how profits come in and out of the trenches. That's all I got. Run the tape. Not financial advice. Plus runners. Compromise. This might be fire. Guys, Compromise is OG. It has that Pui's meta, has Trump in the Chinese government guy. I don't know his name. And they're fat. OG image, OG ticker, and they're fat. And it's at 6. Okay. Hello? Dev still holds 3%. Hello? Do I need a bid? Oh my god. What? Dude, chat, I saw this the second it was created, by the way. Exclamation mark Neo. Lock in. Find coins fast. But what the f? Can the dev please sell? Please. I gotta bid that. Come on, bro. Don't dump after dev. There we oh, come on, baby. Show me that dev cell power, bro. Come on, man. Come on, come on. Let me get a runner. Let me get a runner, please. Please let me get a runner. First trade of the day. Let me get a runner, bro. Look at that entry, 6.8K. Where's Cupsy? Where's Lanes? Where are all the big dogs at? Come on, man. Chat, we're up 100%. 0.8 soul right now. I'm taking my inities. I'm taking my inities. I'm getting scared. We're up almost 120% first trade of the day. Oh, we got the magic touch. Let's go, baby. Chat, first trade of the day. We're up with Solana. Dude, I saw this at 3K, bro. We're getting curvy here, boys. We're getting curvy. I might, no, I'm not gonna rebid a dip, but I might because it's getting some motion into the damn ocean. OG ticker, OG meme, OG image, great narrative. And we're back to 18K, boys. What do we have left? 0.6969 of the coin. We're up one salami, one whole salamas. I'll take a 20% at 19K here though, because your boy needs some money out, bro. We're in for 87, out for 150. I might hold my dust. If this migrates, it goes to like 100K. I am hooking, bro. I was really expecting a KOL to jump in here, but it seems they're busy trading dog shit. Oh my god, new all-time high, 24K, 25K, $26,000 market cap. Hello? If you caught this 10K, you're up 130% right now. Well, we're gonna put a limit up so I can go scan. And if I do get the sell, I'll hear it in Telegram. Holy boys! Wait, Sinton bought the OG. Said we're up 1.3. Yo! This might migrate. This might actually migrate. It's at 35K. My limit sell hit, and then I hit again. Boys, we're actually cooking. We're actually cooking today, man. Yo, Compromise back to 30K, lads. Let's go, dude. 180%er. Yo, 11K. I'm gonna bid that at 10.9. Yeah, I will. All right, whatever. We'll take a soul pro. I think Compromise is just dead there. That's wild dumb. Yo, if you guys are currently enjoying the video and you want to trade where I trade at every single day for the past 6 months, check out BullX Neo. The link will be at the top of the description. You can save on fees and you can get instant access to the best terminal out there. Are you interested in trading 4 to 8 different charts at the exact same time with real-time analytics and information? Maybe you want to load up your juicy wallet tracker list and your monitor square to see what active KOLs and other whales might be trading. And of course, you just want to see the fastest, newest pairs, almost graduated pairs, and the current trending pairs at all time. Links down below. Enjoy the rest of the video. Turn a risk into financial freedom. Has this been done yet? It has not been done. Dev holds 5%. Okay, I need to get a refresh. Is that dev? Is that dev? Is that dev? I don't think it's dev. That is dev. I'm gonna bid. Turn a financial risk into freedom. It's actually a fire fucking ticker for Tariff, bro. I'm gonna get a bid in here at 3.7. Come on, bro. We've had one Tariff coin run. Can we get a second Tariff runner of the day, man? I'm surprised this isn't catching like legs. I mean, I'm still gonna hold for the time being. 0.15. I don't really want to scalp 0.15, especially with how other coins are taking off. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna support this at 4K. 4K is not a bad support. Oh, someone's running bumps on it. Okay, if it gets bumps and it gets volume, it might take off. I don't know what I want to do here, bro. It's going flat for too long, guys. I think I'm gonna take my 0.15 and move on. It's getting way too flat for me. I don't know. Unfortunate as it is, I'm not gonna sit in a coin that's dead for that long. Be cool. Is this a tweet? White House? Wait. White House tweet. Be cool. Wait, White House is actually like tweeting out like a crazy amount of stuff right now. Look at these lines, brother. Oh my god. Wait. Playing these big caps might be a play. Holy f. Did I fill top? I filled at 80. Let's go. We're at 0.6. Chat, we're actually cooking today, boys. We're cooking. 100K. What do I feel? What do I feel? 94. It's not bad. Let's take it. 0.75 right now. 74%. Let's go. I'm just glad that I actually bid it after this first dip and went to 100K. I'm just glad I'm actually bidding shit, even though it's high market cap. I think high market caps right now might be the play with mid caps. We're up 1 soul. Let's go. Another 1 soul trade on the day, bro. Let's go, dude. Well, we were up 1 soul. That shit died really quick. Let him G. The OG one's at 4K. OG one's at 6K. 5.8. Dev's still in. I'm gonna bid this dev sell. So did a lot of other f***ing people. What'd I fill at? 5.5? Yo, wait, this might f***ing run. Hang on. Let him G. Oh, it's just making me tweet shit. Curve back up. 10K volume. Dev finally sold. We got in. No way we don't get a f***ing run here. There we go. Come on, push us past this 7.15K area and we're chilling, bro. Really, bro? Dude, if I'm being honest, I might just take my wait. Whoo! Clipping into that. Let's go! 0.6er. 1 trade, 0.6. I'm so glad I bought that double dip, bro. Buy those dips. Play for the exit lines. 0.6, 1 trade, $80. We're back. All right, we're back. We're grooving again. Make America cook again. It's a decent image. I know it's been done a bunch today, but wait. This one hasn't been done in months for the exact thing. There's already a community for it. Wait. Dev holds 5%, but they already have like a Twitter made, so there's socials for the project. I mean, if he sells and gives up on it, I'll bid, but I'm not gonna pre-fire 5%. It's too much. Why is this getting motion? The dev holds too much. Can this dev sell? I really want to touch this chart. All right, dev sold him in. Hopefully, there's already members in it though. Hopefully they tweet some shit. Oh, it's getting bids, boys. Hang on. All-time high is 5.2, 5.17, 5.3. New all-time high. We're up 0.23 right now. 32%. Let's go. All right, we're up 32%. Couple of climbs here. 40%. I knew waiting for the dev sell on this might be decent. I should have bid a little bit more, but I'm chilling. I should have bid a little bit more, like 1 soul. Yo, this might actually run. Hang on. This might run. I'm gonna sell my initials. What did I fill? 7.6. Yo, hang on. We waited for this, bro. I'm up almost to Solana here. 0.85. Yo, I gotta clip a little bit. Boys, I waited 5 minutes for this dev to sell this coin. I knew because it was OG, a new good picture, and they had socials, and they tweeted. Okay, wait. This might rip. Chat, 15K. Yeah, dude. Let's go. All right, I think I'm just gonna hold the rest and go scan. New all-time high. Yo, I'm gonna clip. Boys, we're up 40 Chipotle bowls today. Holy bro. I full clipped this. I don't know, bro. I'm just gonna get out. I'll take my 1.1 soul and go somewhere else, man. Oh my God.
I saw it. What's up, Jerzy?
Hello, man. I am very impatient.
My bad, brother. I kept you waiting for longer than 5 minutes. Just wait longer. Dude, I'm ready to make some money, bro. Last night was a shit night, bro. I need I'm gonna do like them regular streamers and make 100 Solana today. How you feel about that?
I think we got this, bro.
What about Greenmaker? Greenmaker looks good. It's OG, brother. It's OG.
Oh, it's full OG. Greenmaker. Come on. Hang on. How much does Dev have? 7%?
Yeah, and he probably has the bundles too, so he probably has like 8.
It's only 2 wallets though.
Yeah, probably about
6 and 2.
Yep. Once they sell, I'm in.
Yeah, yep. Good picture as well. Bitcoin and Solana on it.
Yeah, dude, it looks really good. It looks really good.
We're gonna do one of these. Little 0.1. Oh my God, why does it run? Just wanted to do a point. Bro, I just did a 0.1.
Yeah, dude, I saw that, bro. I saw that.
I wanted to bait the dev. I should have done my real buy. I'd be up so much right now.
Bro, people are front running the dev like this. When the dev sells, this shit's gonna take off.
If I did my actual buy instead of a 0.1 tease, I'd be up fat, bro. Instead of being up 1 soul, I'm up 0.9. This is disgusting. Dev sold.
I'm in 0.8. Oh my God, dude.
Holy, this is gonna run. This is gonna run. This is gonna run. Come on. What did I feel? 7.3. That's kind of gross.
There we go. Nice little buys there.
Yeah.
Nice little buys there. Let's go. Yep.
Initials. I low-key want to bid here. If it touches like 6 flat, I'm putting in a little bit more on Greenmaker. Greenmaker getting a leg. Come on. Ooh, Greenmaker at my entry. Yeah, I'm touching. I think I'm taking a loss on Greenmaker.
I'm still in it. You gonna sell?
Yeah, I bought in late. I'm still up 550 for the day.
Wait, Paul Atkins? Is this OG?
Oh, it's good. It's good. Dev sold and it mooned.
It's OG, bro. It's OG, bro.
Wait. I'm entering here.
I'm in right above you.
Come on.
Right above you. I'm gonna take initial. officials?
Me too.
Good shit.
I'm at 0.5 right now on it.
Wait, the dev ball back in.
Nah,
Dev
fuck that
sold,
dev.
dev
We're
sold.
chilling,
We're
chilling.
good.
Come on. I'm at 0.56. Let's go. Come on.
Oh my God, dude. Where are the coals at when you need them, brother?
This is pretty juicy.
Yeah, this one's good. This one can actually run.
Selling into that. What I fill? Did I fill 11?
Good shit.
10.9.
Yep.
Let's go. Good fill.
You sold at the top, yeah. I'm gonna sell a little 10%er right there. Oh, somebody bought in. We got it. The coal bought in.
Give us another leg. Come on.
Oh, come on, give us a leg up. This has to be entry right here.
There we go.
Yep. I'm gonna take a little 10%er here, just to make sure I have a little profit, and I'm holding the rest.
Want to take a little clip at 16?
Yeah, I took a little 10%er.
Holy shit,
Devices
bro.
bought in. Devices bought in.
Holy I'm at 0.9 right now. I need one soul. Is he out?
Let me see. Yeah, he's fully out. It's just me and you now. Me and you to the moon, brother.
Kind of want to bid one of these like 15K squeezes for like a 30%.
I would say if you're gonna bid right there. Yep.
Filled 11K flat. I'm already up 20% on that. Let's go. Oh my God, yeah.
Dude.
All right, now I'm up a
Yeah,
soul.
brother.
Let's go, dude. Right,
I mean, the
full
volume
clip.
is down, but it could. You want a full clip?
I only have 0.2 left. Not a lot. Got like 20 bucks in.
All right, you're good. You can get out if you want to. It's dumping.
Or I might re-enter here. Hang on. Let me see how I want to play it.
I'm a full clip. I'll give you entry. my sell did shit to the chart. This P&L tracker's not very accurate either. Another new pair to. Are you fully out of PWA?
Yeah, I rebid 1.25, then I got dumped on, so I just took out my 0.8.
I don't blame you.
Hey, I'll take it though. 80 bucks, 90 bucks, whatever it is. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, YouTube, Twitch, gang, everybody involved, bro. Massive fucking day. Look at that. Dude, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, follow on Twitch. This will go in the YouTube video as well. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe and sign up with the links down below to trade. Check it out for yourselves. Follow me on Twitter, Discord, yada, yada, yada. Have a good night, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you all again very, very soon, and stay safe. Much love. Let's go.